If you own an AR-15, January arrived with quiet legal pressure. No nationwide ban, no midnight vote, just a quieter shift in state laws, enforcement priorities, and court interpretations. What's legal in one state can be a felony next door. Here are 10 legal realities every owner must know right now. Stay to the end. Number 10 is where careful owners still get charged. Disclaimer: I'm not an attorney, and this isn't legal counsel. Firearms statutes shift quickly and vary by zip code. Always consult a licensed lawyer and your local ordinances before acting. Reality 1. No federal AR-15 ban. Congress has not outlawed AR-15s. The Supreme Court has not struck them down. Federal law allows manufacture, transfer, and possession, subject to existing rules. That baseline does not override stricter state law. Reality 2. State law rules daily life. California, Connecticut, Delaware, Hawaii, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, and Washington all regulate AR-15s by feature, not model. A legal rifle in Arizona can be contraband in Illinois if it has a pistol grip and detachable magazine. Crossing a state line changes everything. Reality 3. Ownership, lawful possession. Some states let you own an AR-15 but ban possessing it loaded in a vehicle, or require locked separate storage, or prohibit carrying it on public land. The rifle itself is unchanged. The context decides the crime. Reality 4. January enforcement surge. Agencies release new guidance. Officers receive updated training, and prosecutors finalize charging standards every January. Technical violations ignored in December can be felonies in January. Reality 5. Features trigger felonies. Adjustable stock, flash hider, forward pistol grip, magazine over 10 rounds. Each can independently violate state assault weapon bans. 2 rifles that look identical to you can be legal versus 10-year prison exposure. Reality 6. Registration windows close. California, Connecticut, New Jersey, New York, and Illinois require registration or grandfathering paperwork. Miss the deadline or file late, and the same rifle becomes an unregistered assault weapon. Courts do not accept "I forgot." Reality 7. Traffic stops are interpretation moments. An officer who believes your rifle is unlawfully configured can seize it and arrest you. Roadside arguments do not beat a felony charge. No transport rules, unloaded, locked container, ammunition separate, no detours. Reality 8. Interstate travel is narrow. Federal safe passage protection 18 U.S.C. Paragraph 926A only covers continuous transportation, unloaded and inaccessible. Stop overnight in New Jersey with a legal Texas rifle and you can still be charged. Plan every mile. Reality 9. Online advice expires. Forum posts from 2019, YouTube comments and meme charts are not legal authority. Statutes and state police guidance change. Verify every claim against current state law, print the statute, and keep it. Reality 10. Misunderstanding the law is the crime. Most AR-15 prosecutions are not for violent acts. They are for configuration, transport, or registration errors. The penalty is the same as for intentional trafficking. Ignorance is not a defense. Why confusion persists. Gun law is layered. Federal baseline, state statute, local ordinance, plus evolving court decisions. January converges new agency guidance, updated forms, and media attention, creating the illusion of sudden change. Court decisions still shifting. Challenges to assault weapon bans are active in the 4th, 9th, and 7th circuits. A future ruling could expand or shrink legality overnight. Track the docket in your circuit. Local rules bite. City discharge ordinances, park bans, and zoning rules can restrict AR-15 use even when state ownership is legal. A legal rifle can still get you cited for firing inside city limits or carrying into a county park. Storage laws. California, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and Rhode Island impose specific locking or separation requirements. Improper storage can be a misdemeanor first offense, felony second offense, and creates civil liability if a minor gains access. Prosecutorial discretion. Some district attorneys charge every technical violation. Others defer. January policy memos often reset those priorities. Know your county's posture before assuming they'll just warn me. Compliance drift. A rifle compliant when bought can become illegal after the state redefines assault weapon. Recheck configuration every legislative session. Replace or modify parts as required. Transfers and inheritance. Registered assault weapons generally cannot be sold or transferred within state. They must be surrendered, moved out of state, or transferred to a licensed dealer. Heirs who inherit them have 90 days in California, 30 in Connecticut, to comply or face possession charges. Seizure conviction. Police can seize an AR-15 on suspicion. Recovery requires a civil petition, legal fees, and months of delay. Document every compliance step. Receipts, registration printouts, photos to speed return. Travel checklist. 1. Confirm destination state law. 2. Strip rifle to compliant configuration if required. 3. Transport unloaded, locked hard case, ammo separate. 4. Carry printed copy of Paragraph 926A and destination statutes. 5. No overnight stops in banned states unless rifle is legal there. Verify sources. Bookmark your state police firearm bureau page and the actual statute. If a forum post can't cite a statute number, ignore it. Responsibility is continuous. Laws evolve. Your rifle doesn't. Schedule an annual compliance audit. Check statute, configuration, registration status, and transport plan. Calendar it every January. Overlooked questions. Q. Does a prior owner's modification affect me? A. Yes, possession liability is on you. Inspect and correct before taking custody. Q. Are compliance accessories safe? A. Only if the exact statutory definition matches. Marketing language is irrelevant. Measure against the written law. Insurance and records. Legal defense insurance exists. Read exclusion. Keep PDFs of purchase receipts, registration certificates, and compliance photos in cloud storage. They accelerate return if seized. Final perspective. Is my AR-15 legal? Has no universal answer. It depends on state, features, and conduct. January didn't ban rifles. It narrowed the margin for error. Recheck your configuration, paperwork, and travel plan today. Attention is the price of continued ownership. Your AR-15 is legal only while every part, paper, and mile you travel stays inside a shifting maze of state rules. January reboots enforcement memos, forms, and prosecutor policies. Yesterday's loophole is today's felony. Measure each feature against the current statute, lock records in cloud and print, map every interstate mile, and calendar an annual audit. Make sure you subscribe to Weapons Law Advisor, and don't forget to like and comment on the video to help us reach our amazing milestone of 10,000 subscribers. Every single subscriber matters. Your support is what makes this journey possible.